वो सारी सुबह गाड़ी में बैठी रही।
She was seated in the car all morning. She was seated in the car all morning.
जब वो मेरे करीब आया तो मुझे बेचैनी महसूस हुई।
I felt anxious as he approached me. I felt anxious as he approached me.
खिड़कियों वाला घर अब भी बेनकाब महसूस हुआ।
The house with windows still felt exposed. The house with windows still felt exposed.
इस बार दर्द ज्यादा शदीद था।
This time the pain was more acute. This time the pain was more acute.
आपने जो कहा वो बिल्कुल बेजा था।
What you said was totally out of line. What you said was totally out of line.
मैंने अपनी नजरें खत्म लाइन पर जमा लीं।
I got my eyes fixed on the finish line. I got my eyes fixed on the finish line.
बारिश ने पेंट को बहा दिया।
The rain washed away the paint. The rain washed away the paint.
उसने बेबसी से देखते हुए सनद कबूल कर ली।
She accepted her transcript while looking forlorn. She accepted her transcript while looking forlorn.
मैंने इसे खाना पकाने में मदद करने की पेशकश की।
I offered to help her cook. I offered to help her cook.
किश्ती समंदर में निकल गई।
The boat drifted out into the sea. The boat drifted out into the sea.